New tonight at 6, a pandemic privacy pitfall. Investigators looking into how to protect people's information during virtual court sessions.
WGN's Tanya Francisco is joining us now with more on that tonight. Tanya?
Ray and Micah, Zoom has become the way of the world. It has also opened the door to a new scam that is targeting people when they are most vulnerable. Court proceedings have always been open to the public, with a few exceptions. But when the pandemic hit, everyone, including the courts, had to pivot. That meant turning to Zoom for hearings. But WGN has learned someone is taking advantage of the situation and exploiting people.
That is fraud, and please do not fall for that. That's a scam.
Cook County Public Defender Amy Campanelli says last week her office learned someone is listening in on the Zoom court calls and was copying down telephone numbers and reaching out to the defendants, pretending to be with the public defender and claiming if they used Cash App to send them money right away, their ticket would be dismissed. Some people fell for the scam, but it's not clear how many.
A public defender will never call you and ask for money for any reason. So if someone is doing that, they are not a public defender.
Access to the court hearings is easy to find. The Zoom dial-in numbers and passwords are listed on the Cook County Court's homepage. But a spokesman for the Office of the Chief Judge tells me the phone numbers of the participants joining by Zoom are masked. But observers say sometimes the telephone numbers are read aloud in court.
In order to facilitate communication between lawyers and people who are appearing in court, for example, there needs to be an exchange of phone numbers. And if judges aren't careful about how they ask those questions, that number just gets broadcast out into the world, along with the person's name and the fact that they have a criminal charge and all of this other stuff that makes them susceptible, obviously, to a scam like this.
Sarah Stout is with Chicago Appleseed Center for Fair Courts. She says the issue of people's personal information being disclosed accidentally on the Zoom court calls is something they've been aware of for a while.
We're not as used to Zoom, but that doesn't change how sensitive the information being conveyed is.
So the lesson here is think twice if you get a call from someone claiming to be the public defender's office asking you for cash. Now, if you unfortunately have already been taken advantage of in this way, you're urged to call your local police department. I'm live at home this evening. Tanya Francisco, WGN News.
All right, Tanya, thank you. Breaking news from the